Hello guys, welcome to new vlog where I am covering Taj Holiday Village Resort and Spa. In this video, I will be covering room tariff and I will show the property, what it offers and how you can spend 3 days and 2 nights here. Along with it, I will also explain you how you can get it for free, the night stay, and along with night stay, the meals. Just stay with me till the end and I will explain you each features in detail. In the end, you will be getting the best view of the resort. So this is the main area of this resort. On the left hand side you can see this is the area where food will be served, like cafeteria. On the right hand side the sun deck, you can take your food and sit outside as well. This is the area for kids, as you can see, and this is the pool area, the first pool of this resort. There are total 2 pools. Second pool is pretty well because it is surrounded by a lot of trees. It looks like you are swimming in the forest and you will be mesmerizing with the views of the property it offers. Like the trees, lot of trees are in this property. You will feel that you are staying maybe like some kind of a forest resort, I would say, and lot of activities are there which somebody can avail, but yeah, definitely those are paid ones. Like you can ride cycle in the whole resort, that would be paid. Zip lining, that too will be paid. So activities are there which will be paid. Otherwise, if you don't want to do any activities, you can just relax in the pool, the both pools which are there in the resort. You can access private access you can do to the beach, Sinkorim beach. Let me give you tour of my room. So this is a room which I have booked for 2 nights. This is a weekend rate, I would say, and the price which I have paid for 2 nights for this room was 32,000 per night. Yeah, that is inclusive of taxes. So this is how the room you will be getting, and this room is garden facing. There are other rooms as well which you can get it on lower prices, maybe, which are not garden facing, which has maybe some kind of a corridor or a road view. So there may be a chance that you can get inclusive everything in 24 to 25,000 as well. But this is the one which is 32,000, and I will tell you there are many other rooms which cost a lot more than this one. So this is the room which I am showing you right now. This is the outside area of my room, and yeah, my friend is waiting for me so that we can go for lunch and dinner. Yeah, so this is the area where you will get beach view. You can relax here. The lot of seats are there. You can simply relax. See, you can see the cycle which kids are riding. Those are chargeable. You can even see that sun deck area where music is there, live music. So you can enjoy live music. You can take your plate outside, have lunch, dinner here, depends on the weather conditions. or you can simply enjoy the view. Okay, so let's go to another part of the resort. So from here you will be seeing the pool area. This is a main pool where somebody who is staying in the property will be will be like lot of time will be here. The hut shape you can see here is the poolside bar where you can order your drink and it will be served right in the pool. If you want to have something in food, as you want to snacks, then yeah, you have to come other side. You can't eat in the pool. And yeah, this is the area which you can stroll and enjoy the flowers if you are very like used to watch flowers and trees like that. So you can take a ride and you can walk with your loved one here. The Portuguese theme of this resort, which I think was best attracted to me, since there were very limited number of cottages are there. I am not sure how many cottages are there, but I don't think there will be more than 100. I'm just upper limit 100, maybe less than that it would be. I'm not sure how many cottages are there, but suppose 100 cottages are there, and if in each cottage, because there are 2 to 3 rooms are there in each cottage, so density is very less. That is what I meant to say here. So you can enjoy full. You won't feel the rush or crowd in the pool, both pools. That's a good part, I would say. This is a sun deck area which I showed you earlier as well, where live music was there earlier. Live music generally happens in the evening time when there is a wind and there is a pleasant weather is there. If it is an afternoon or morning, most probably it would be an empty, but yeah, you can sit and relax here. Okay, so there are other areas in this resort which I will point out whenever it will come in the video. Like suppose golf course area, if it comes, I will show you, and moon deck, zip lining and all. Even I will show you Taj Aguada Fort from here itself. That too will come later in the video. Just be with me till the end. And in the end, I have already told you that in the end I will be showing you the second pool, which was pretty good, definitely. And if you can do swimming, and if somebody is interested more in swimming rather than just enjoying, then second pool is yours one. And this is zip lining, which chargeable. And on the right hand side is the golf course area. Yeah, this is the one which is golf course area. I'm not sure who plays and all, but yeah, I have not seen anyone who was playing golf, but yeah, that was the area. Now let me tell you how you can get 2-night complimentary here in Taj along with the food. So suppose if somebody is booking Taj via a website or online, mostly you will get 30,000 something like that per night tariff. And if you are booking for 2 nights, it will cost around 65 to 66,000 for 2 nights. So instead of booking via website by a third party, what somebody can do, they can take Taj Epicure membership. In that Taj Epicure membership, which costs around 59,000 inclusive of taxes, that membership gives a member 2 night free. Along with that, 4 meal coupons and 3 spa sessions. In one meal coupon, 2 person can have food. So basically, if somebody book via membership, then the person has to pay 59,000 as a membership. That person will get 4 coupon. One coupon with one coupon, 2 members can eat food. So 4 coupons are there. So if any couple is going in this type of resort, so for 2 night at least 4 meal person will have lunch and dinner. So with those 4 coupons, lunch and dinner will become free, and even the stay will become free. So if your booking amount is more than 60,000, then it is better to take a membership worth 59,000, and you will get 2 free night, 4 meal coupon and 3 spa sessions. So that would be very beneficial rather than booking directly. Also, you will get 25% off in all orders. If you are ordering other than lunch and dinner, then you will get 25% off as well. And this membership is not only for till the time you are staying in the property. It is not like that. You can use that coupon, lunch or dinner coupon, even spa sessions, even 25% off this whole year. So for this is valid for whole year. Suppose if you booked this and you went out for lunch and dinner and you could not use the coupon, you can use coupon afterwards in your city. You can visit Taj and you can have lunch or dinner. So that is up to you. So this is how you can get this thing with becoming a membership. Okay, now as you can see that in every corner there are directions are there, how to go to moon deck, sun deck, and restaurant, anything. So if you will walk in the morning, evening, if you are interested in jog, that feel very good. So 3 days 2 nights you will be refreshed definitely, because of the greenery and because of the calm weather and calm ambience overall in the resort. So you will definitely be liking that. And you can book buggy as well for one point to another point. That is up to you. If you have elders in your group, then instead of walking, book buggy, and buggy will take you to any point within the resort. So that is also available. This is the area where I've already showed you that basically sun deck area, and plus the beach you can see here. Okay, let's go a little closer to the beach and show you how beach looks from this point. And yeah, so this is the beach which you will be witnessing in your 3 days. You can have lunch, dinner, breakfast here and enjoy. And yeah, here it is Taj Aguada stay as well. You can walk, it's a free 5 minutes walk and free of entry. Like who are staying in this property can visit Taj Aguada as well, and you can explore that as well. Yeah, so this is how it looks more closely, that sun deck area. And right in front where red flag is there, from there you can step down and you can take umbrella with you, and you can access the beach. This is Sinquarium beach, and this is a private access, although beach is public. Okay, let's go to inside cafeteria. So this is what cafeteria offers. The food I would say is okay. It is not like if you are staying in a Taj, then food would be very different from other 5-star hotels or other properties. So I felt that food wise this is pretty like any other hotel or a place we can get food. That is what I would say. One thing which stands out Taj from other hotel was that in Taj you can just simply go sit on your table and you can customize. There are a lot of staff members will be there around you. You can ask them to customize the meal and they will give you on your table. So there is no need to come to the and take your food like every time. You can just simply order. That's the best thing, I would say. The different thing, I would say, rather than best. Otherwise food was okay, not bad as such. It was okay. Okay, so this was the area which I liked the most, because behind me was a pool and in front of me was a beach. It looks very different. The vibe was totally different. When you will be here in this area, you will feel like that you are some in other place, like I would say. Vibe was pretty good here. And yeah, this is the cafeteria which I am going to have my lunch. And since it's a private access beach, so you can enjoy in the beach and come in the pool area, clean yourself. So that's the best part as well, to have private access of the hotel. And okay, so this is the pool which I was told you in the previously, the second pool basically. And yeah, that's all pretty good. Okay, I think that is what I would just want to show you, and let's meet you in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching till here. See you in the next video.